Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. You know when I'm in here, we're gonna have some food to eat. So Roy, what are we making today?
Pancakes.
Do you want pancakes?
Yes.
We make pancakes for Roy.
Yes.
Because everybody loves pancakes. This is a very easy recipe, so I'll list down everything in the description box. Please try it at home. It's very easy and delicious. So let's get started with the pancakes. 1.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, we've got 1 teaspoon of salt, 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and we've got 1 egg, and we've got some batter that we have to melt. You can just throw it in the microwave and it's gonna melt up. So first we're gonna mix the dry ingredients. We're gonna add our egg, and then we'll add our milk. This is 1.5 cups of milk, the same measurements as the flour. We're gonna gradually mix this and gradually add the milk. Okay, the batter is melted. We're just gonna add that in. That was 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so we have our stove on, and what you want to do is put your stove on about 3 or 4 so that you don't burn the pancakes. We're gonna add a little bit of butter to the pan. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. You can use butter or you can use oil, and you can use the non-stick spray, the cooking spray. Okay, we're gonna pour our mixture on. And we're just gonna let it sizzle right there. And when you start to see the bubbles coming up, you can see some bubbles in there. That means it's almost time to turn it. Okay, we're gonna turn that one.
Boom, boom. I have.
Okay, so that is almost done. We're just gonna check if the other side is browned. Oh, that. See how the other side looks like? That's our nice fluffy pancake. We can see some bubbles in there. Some bubbles are coming up, so it's almost time to turn it. You can make them as thin as you want by putting just a little bit of the mixture on the pan, and always cook them on low heat. I'm just gonna check if the other side is browned up. That is perfect. Look at that.
Wow,
that's a perfect pancake. Turn it, and I don't know if I mentioned this, but I used all-purpose flour, so you need to use all-purpose flour, household flour, same thing. Turn it. So our pancakes are done, and don't they look amazing? You can actually make more of these if you reduce the size. I just like to make them this chunky. But with that kind of mixture we did, you can make lots more. Just put a little bit of the pan and then, yeah, dish them out. So, everybody in my house loves pancakes. You can have them for breakfast, for dessert, for everything. So we're having pancakes for dessert. And each one of them like a different kind of mixture on their pancakes. He's here, come. I'm saying each one, but you know I make for him, but she makes one for herself. I'm gonna show everybody how you like yours done. Yeah. Did you say hi?
Hi guys.
Hi guys. This is Lulu. She's my niece. So I want you to make your pancake the way you like it. She likes syrup on hers. I hate syrup. So why don't you start with yours first?
Okay, cool.
Then I'll do Roy's later on. Okay. So we're gonna have Lulu make hers right here, and I'm just gonna bring you guys closer so that you see what's going on.
This one over there. So best. Perfect pancakes. Also, you know what?
What do you want to have?
I'm gonna have some ice cream, whipped cream, maybe some syrup.
So everything.
I'm gonna have everything in my pancake. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So just a little bit of ice cream right there.
Okay.
Yes. Put that aside. So I have some blueberries, some strawberries. Yeah. So it's gonna be really weird and really messy, you guys.
I know how you eat. So
some whipped cream. Right there. Yes.
Okay.
Some of the strawberries just on the side.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Some blueberries right on top of that. Yes.
Oh, doesn't that look great, you guys?
Super
that looks
weird,
fantastic. So you can have your pancake with anything that you want. So what are you adding on there?
Final touches, some syrup.
She loves syrup. I don't like
there
syrup.
We go.
Oh, that looks delicious. Voila. Okay. Oh, what do you want on your pancake, Munchkin?
Sugar.
You like it like I like it. So we're gonna get some sugar. We'll put a little bit of sugar on the plate. And then we're getting a little bit of lemon juice. And just sprinkle that there. What should I put on top?
Sugar.
Sugar again. Okay. So that's what we do. Lemon juice and sprinkle some more sugar on the top. That is Roy's pancake. So there's your knife and fork. Why don't you go sit down and eat, okay?
Okay.
Okay, my baby. The kids have had their pancakes different ways. I usually have my pancake like Roy, just sugar and lemon juice. Oh, just squeeze the lemon on top and sugar again. But today, I mean, this looks really delicious, so I'm gonna go for that. But mine is gonna be extra loud. Now you can judge me all you want. Today is Sunday, it's Pancake Sunday. And I'm eating for two. Well, there is no such thing, but you know, I can make it however I want. It's dessert. And, oh, what the heck, I'll throw some blueberries on top there. And that is my pancake. Doesn't that look delicious? Yeah? Yeah? Okay guys, so you can make this easy recipe at home. You have all the things. I mean, it's household flour, it's sugar, milk and eggs, and you got your pancake. It's pretty easy to do. So make this fun loving dessert for your family at home or for yourself. It's very delicious. Enjoy. Bye. Thanks for watching.